bills giving you a hard time? Well, you're not alone. Many people are searching for ways to cut down on those high water bills without sacrificing their daily routines. Luckily for you, we've got 12 fantastic tips that are wallet friendly and great for Mother Earth. So let's dive into this video and start saving money while doing our part to conserve water. Welcome to How to Trim Down Your Water Bill and Boost Your Savings. I'm your host, Andrew Polzin from Golden Rule, and today we'll explore some simple strategies to help you reduce your water consumption and in turn lower your water bill. First up, let's talk about those annoying leaks. Leaky faucets and pipes can waste a ton of water over time. So what can you do? Well, it's time to channel your inner handyman or handywoman and fix those leaks ASAP. Look for signs of water damage and turn off the water when not in use. And remember, taking the time to fix the small problem now and saving it from becoming a big problem in the future. Speaking of showers, have you considered installing low flow shower heads? Don't worry, you won't have to sacrifice that relaxing shower experience. Installing an energy efficient low flow shower head is a breeze. Just remove the old one and replace it with a EPA approved low flow model. Now let's flush away some water wastage. Older toilets can be water hogs, using up to 7 gallons per flush. But fear not, my friends, upgrade to a water efficient toilet and you can save both water and money in the long run. And if you're not ready for a toilet upgrade, consider using a displacement bag. It'll help your tank use less water per flush. Time to tackle the dirty dishes. Did you know hand washing dishes can use up to 27 gallons of water? That's a lot. But here's the solution. A modern dishwasher with an Energy Star seal, it's not only efficient, but uses only about 6 gallons per cycle. Make sure to run your dishwasher only when it's full and scrape those food scraps off your plates. Let's move on to laundry day. Running partial loads can waste water and money, so always wait until you have a full load of laundry and remember to adjust the water level to match the load size for maximum efficiency. The joys of a long hot shower, but they can be water guzzlers too. Consider taking shorter showers or invest in a shower timer. And if you want to step up your game, consider investing in a tankless water heater. Check out the link in the description for an entire video on the costs and benefits of a tankless water heater. Now let's talk gardening. Watering your plants during the hottest part of the day isn't ideal because of evaporation. Instead, water them in the morning or evening when it's cooler. You can use improvised watering cans like plastic soda bottles or make sure the water gets exactly where it's needed. And for those lucky enough to have a pool, cover it up when it's not in use. A pool cover can reduce water loss due to evaporation and keep your pool clean, meaning less need for chemicals and maintenance. Ever thought about harvesting rainwater? Get yourself a rain barrel and collect that precious rainwater from your downspout. Use it to water your plants and gardens. Lastly, remember to check for outdoor leaks. Those sprinkler heads and hoses can be sneaky sources of water waste. Inspect them regularly and fix any leaks you find. Well, there you have it, folks. Practical ways to save the water bill and help conserve water. Remember, it's not just good for your wallet, but also good for our planet. If you want more information or need plumbing solutions, we're here to help. Just reach out to us at goldenrulephc.com. Thanks for joining us today, and until next time, keep those water bills low and those savings high.